This is a real short video just to help you understand how to enter an Adobe Connect meeting room. So typically when you're invited to a meeting, it may come as an email or maybe on a calendar invite. Here I just made a demonstration email that has a hyperlink on there. A lot of times these are hyperlinked. That means you can just click on them. Other times you may need to copy it and paste it to a browser. So I'll hit Control C to copy, close that, and paste that link up here in my browser. Now, when you open it in a browser, it's generally best to use Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. Don't use Internet Explorer. It's not fully supported. Then when you click on Enter, if you have the application installed, which I do, it will automatically open up. So then your meeting will open here in a minute. Takes just a few seconds to prepare the room, and there you are in the meeting. So when you're here, you'll follow some instructions on the screen. You can connect your microphone using the microphone icon here at the top. Click on it, turns green, click on it again, it'll be muted. If webcams are enabled, you can click on this and you can start sharing your webcam to share it with everybody. And then you click on the webcam icon again to stop it. The other way, so let's close out of this. If you don't have the application installed, you can download and run the application. And what that does, if you click on it, you'll get an application here. It says Connect Shell Setup EXE. And follow the instructions on the screen. It says open the installer. Here it says Norton LifeLock, said it's safe. Click on yes to run, and then launch Adobe Connect. So basically the same couple steps. Let's go through that process just to install. And let's go through the whole process again. And you see it does not take very long to do this. They do put out updates from time to time. Typically those upgrades happen automatically, but if you're ever unsure, if your company has a firewall issue, it does not allow you to install software, definitely check with your technical department before doing this. But Adobe is something that's generally fairly easy to use and safe. So that's all it took. I'm not going to create another start menu because I already have one. So I'm going to edit out of that. And then we go to launch Adobe Connect. You don't actually need to do that. What I would do is I would go back and put in the same meeting URL we just did, and then it would open again, just like that. Now the final way, let's go good. The final way to get into Adobe Connect is to open in the browser. So if you have any restrictions on opening the application, can't do that, you can open in the browser. Now the browser has some limitations um, and it's not as good in terms of audio and video as the application. But as you can see, it looks just the same. And here we are. The only difference is right at the top of the screen, you see I am actually in a browser window here in Chrome. So again, the same things. You have your speaker here. You can adjust your volume. You have a microphone that you can connect and then mute. You have a webcam that will work just fine. And it does say for better performance, use the app, but we don't have to worry about that right now. So that is how to get into an Adobe Connect meeting. I hope that was clear enough.